I've been doing a bit of shopping recently. I went to Ray Stitch, which is near sort of between Angel and Islington in London, and they've got the most brilliant pattern library. But you buy patterns, you don't borrow them, but they've got such an extensive collection. And because I'm going to be doing sewing workshops in Richmond, I thought it'd be a good idea for me to do some videos on some well-known patterns. So here are some of the patterns that I'm thinking of doing videos and workshops. So this Ogden camisole is a great sewing beginners pattern. I'm sure it's really easy to do. Okay, this is the Fielder pattern from Merchant Mills. It's got loads of elements that we use and love on Stitchless TV. Raglan sleeve, ribbed neck, ribbed cuffs. When you do the ribbing onto like a plain non-stretch fabric. Very easy to do. I think we'll definitely do that one. Now I've got a couple of patterns here for men. I really like the idea of making an unusual pair of pants or trunks. Although I think they're pants, they're not like swimming trunks. Or maybe they are swimming trunks. Anyway, this is Thread Theory, lovely packaging, Thread Theory. I'm thinking of a tutorial on that. Now, we already have a tutorial on how to make, you know, like a basic men's Hawaiian shirt. You can use the McCall's pattern, or you can use this beautiful pattern from Merchant Mills, but it's exactly the same tutorial. It has a back yoke. Is that on here? So it has a back yoke just like in a tutorial, so you can do that burrito method for the back yoke. Yeah, just watch our Hawaiian shirt, men's Hawaiian shirt tutorial, or easy men's shirt. But this is a beautiful pattern for men or women from Merchant Mills. So another one, which is very popular with my friend Lucy, I think she's probably made about 10 of these, is the dress shirt from Merchant Mills as well. It's got, can you see that interesting front yoke section? I mean, you could really go to town on that, couldn't you? And do a contrast or insert a frill. So I really think we should do a tutorial on that one. But I'll be definitely doing workshops on it. Now locally, I've had loads of artists and people who work in restaurants asking me if I can do a version of this apron. This is Mavern Sewing Patterns, and they've got the Maria, they call it the Maria apron. I'll just turn it around so you can really see. So it's one of those aprons, you know, where there's sort of like a dress at the front, a pinafore dress, and then it does that opening thing at the back. The Geneva Raglan Tee. See, I love my raglan sleeves. Very, very easy. Very, very easy to make, using loads of techniques that we already use on Stitchless TV. But you know what? I think we'll do a tutorial on that one. Hudson Pant, which is like a jogging, they're like jogging bottoms, aren't they? Have they got pockets? Yeah, look. And they've got pockets. So I imagine it's supposed to be in stretch fabric. Might put go faster stripes in. Tempted not to do it in stretch, but we'll see. So true bias, look, there they are. True bias, Hudson Pant. We'll do workshops on those, and I'll try and sort out a video. So this is the Mesa denim jacket. Now I want to make this jacket really oversized and not necessarily in denim. I have to say I'm very, very tempted to use some of that glitter canvas stuff and do like each section a different colour. It's the denim jacket from Named Sewing Patterns. Yeah, we'll be doing that. Maybe not straight away though. So if you have a particular preference for any of those sewing patterns that I've shown you as a sewing tutorial, you know, comment below and let me know.